So here Allah is asking them to worship. فَلْيَعْبُدُوا, to worship the Lord of this house. Okay? So what does ibadah mean? Do you have an idea?
It means to worship
Yeah.
the Kaaba.
No, not worship Kaaba. We worship the Lord of the house. Yeah, we worship the
Lord.
Lord. How can we worship the Lord? What should I do in
By
order to worship Allah?
doing all the right things that
To do
Muslims.
right things, okay? Can I do so with hating to do so? I mean, I don't want to do so, but I am doing so because, I need to do so. I'm obliged to do so. No, I need to love doing this, right? So, worship is two things actually: love with obedience. Love and obedience. So, I need to love doing acts of obedience, like praying, like doing right things, as you said, um, like be kind to your parents, to um, uh, perform salah, okay, to uh, wear hijab and do many, many things that Allah loves. We agreed that worship is like an a broad term that that include all things that Allah will be pleased with us if we do it, right? So if you wanted to know whether this is an act of worship or not, just ask yourself, does Allah will be pleased with me if I do so? Just ask yourself. You can judge. Okay. So can you give me an example?
When you're kind and you do the right thing.
Give me examples for right things in your point of view.
When you like hit someone or be rude to someone or show violence to someone.
Yeah. Will Allah be pleased with me if I do so? No, of course not. So this is not an act of worship. This is an act of disobedience because Allah doesn't command me to do so. He actually forbids me from doing so, right? So can you give me examples for acts of worship? I need to worship Allah. I need to be a good Muslim. So,
You
mhm,
need
to
to
teach other good knowledge. Will Allah be pleased with me if I do so? Of course, yeah. If I have learned today a verse from the Quran, an ayah from the Quran, I share it with my friend or I share it with my mother, will Allah be pleased with me if I'm doing so? Of course, yes. So
Yes.
hopefully you do this. Okay? Okay.